Now the car sat here for a week. There's a charger. It's 4 orange lights, so it's all fine. So, here is now how simple this is. And here is how I'll never get a flat battery again. So, push, open the bonnet. The frunk is open. Lift frunk. Pull the plug. Switch off the power. Separate the wire. Separate the clip. Take this end and throw it in the car. Roll the cable up. Throw it in the cubby hole. That's all I do with this cable. In the cubby hole. Shut cubby hole. Shut frunk. And here's the best bit of the whole thing. Start the car. Listen to the flat 6. Shut the door. Oh, need roof of that. Get rid of the roof.